Hello everyone. In the last video I showed you how to create a menu item here. For example, okay. And today I'm gonna show you how to create a bottom navigation view. I mean a home view. I mean a message view. And when I click on the system, I also go to a system page. So now let's get started. I used the project from the last time about the menu item for enhance to the relay bottom navigation. Okay. First we have to add the new dependency for Android support design. We go to the view window. Here we add one more Android support design. This one. We have to synchronize in the project. Okay, after sync a project, so next we have to create a menu item for bottom navigation view. So I right click on the menu. I create a new I name it menu bottom navigation. Okay, I click OK. Okay, now I go to the coding. So I add some item here, like we keep in the menu item here. For example, we copy the new one. So now we can format it. Okay, and then we name it home. Okay, now I will create a new icon for home because I don't have it. So I can search for home. Okay, now I click next. Okay, now I can change icon for home. Okay, now let's create another icon like setting. Okay, setting, and then the icon for message. Okay, now I also create a new icon for the message. I quickly do it. I can use the icon available in Android. For example, we have a lot of icon here. Okay, for the item in the bottom navigation view. Okay, so now I go to the main activity and I can create a new bottom navigation view. This one. Okay, we add some parameter here. For example, and then we can link to the menu bottom navigation. Okay, this one. Okay, Now we will start the application. I use the real physical device. Okay, now the application is ready, so I can show you here. We can show the bottom navigation view but no action. So next step, we will add some action in this icon. So we go to the main activity. Okay, on the function on create, we will create a init for the bottom navigation view. So I will create a private method. Then we can find the bottom navigation view. We have to import it. This one. Okay, now we add some listener for each item. This one. Renew. Okay, we override this. Okay, we can use with K to currently we have 3 cases. Home, shipping, and the last case about message. Okay, we will use talk to show the message. Home, so bottom. Now we will run the application again. Okay, the application is ready. I click on the home, settings and message. Okay, you can see the message is so after I click on the some icon, but in the reality it's not simple like this. It shows something like a view. So now next we will create a fragment to show more content in that fragment. So we go to the main activity. We will add a fragment here. Frame layout. Okay. Now we will name the ID of main frame layout. What's this one? Markdown. Okay. And next we will create a home fragment. First, I will create a new folder. Or I can also create an empty activity. Now I will create a folder first. So we create an empty activity. In the packet, we name it fragment. We also generate the layout file because we will add more content, more UI item there. Okay, so in a home fragment, I don't extend about format activity. I will extend fragment. Okay, and I will override on create view. I press Control O on create view, this one. Okay, I will delete this override in Planter. I use the result. But first I have to change the name of the fragment for easy to see or easy to understand. I will rename it. I delete the activity. Okay, before we create activity, so it automatic add one activity in the main Android manifest, so this is not necessary, so I will delete this one. Okay, and then I will go back to the main activity. I will call the home fragment. I will go to the on create. Replay main fragment by new home fragment. Okay, now we go to the layout of the home fragment. We will add one more text in this one, text view. I will make the text in the middle and the center. Okay, now we will run the application again to see the result. Okay, you can see the message text from the fragment, home fragment, so it should be this one. Okay, now the message is in the middle and the center of the screen, so we do the same. We create for the message fragment. Okay, now we back to the main activity. We will change the action for each item. In this case, we will call so the fragment in home. For example, I will replay this message, or we also keep them there for testing purpose, no problem. In this case, it will be replayed by message. Okay, and for the setting, I will move to the setting page by use the intent. Okay, now we will run the application again. So you can see the result I did. When I click on the message, it shows the fragment of message. Click on the setting, it will move to the setting page. Okay, the next step I will show you how to create a number of the message on the right top of the message icon. So now we will create a new view for that number. Okay, I go to the layout and I will create a resource file. I will do type frame layout. Name it. Okay. Now I will add the text here. For example, this one I will background it like I will find the yellow color in this case. Okay, this is really a orange color, not a yellow. So now I go to the main activity. I will add this view to the icon message. We will get the menu view here. Okay, now we get next the okay, in this case, and then we will add the message number to this item. Okay, we will try to run the application again. Okay, you can see the number message they appear on the top right of the icon message. So this is really cool, but we have to add the border radius in the background. So next step I'll show you how to do that. In a robot, we will create an XML for the background. Yeah. So I will pass this here. This is heading fine. Okay, now we go back to the the number message, we will use the background of that. Okay, now we will run the application again. Okay, the application is ready. So you can see here the background is also have some borders, and I think that's it for this video. I hope you find something helpful here. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.